Hold on. Is it already going? Oh, ow, ow, she's scratching me.
She's a pregnant woman.
It's a shark. If you get too close, she'll lunge. I think she's dying. Oh, she's warm.
Look at her ears. Get it out.
I'll put it back in. She likes this.
Well.
Done.
Oh God, the pregnant woman is alive. Oh, look at the puppy.
My puppy's pregnant. She's only 2 weeks old.
Oh God.
I was like, how is that possible? How is Jesus possible? Can you take the plug in and plug it into here? But unwrap it from there.
I think I put it in backwards.
There. There.
Oh God. Yeah. Look at the puppy. Where'd she go? What is she doing? So, what the hell is that? Ew. That's disgusting. God. What's he doing?
Something a burglar would not want to see when he breaks into a house. Rob. Naked grandma! Naked, huh? I know you're right, okay? Nobody wants to see a naked grandma, but what are the chances of you breaking in the house and running up into your grandmama naked? Looking for a naked grandmama in the house, outside, in the woods, on the blanket.
She's still alive.
Yeah. I bet you she's peeing on you right now. This.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Ew.
All right, everybody's been worried about that there wasn't a public beta from Black Ops. Might be some sort of glitch or exploit. Well, I found a really bad one, and I really hope that Treyarch patches it because, I mean, this is a game over. And so let me show you